Hi guys, it's time for another mystery box. This one is so cute. Sweetie Pie Honey Bunch mystery box. It has these onesies. You don't just get one, you get 4 of these from sizes 0 to 12 months. Not only these, you also get 4 of these from sizes 0 to 12 months. I have not seen these for sale anywhere. I don't know where they sell them. You can't get them from Cricut.com. They do have the raglan bodysuits that have black and white, but they don't have the blue and the gray or the pink and the gray. They're so cute. There's more in this box, but let me open this up. They do have the compatible with infusible ink. There's the back. They're 95% polyester, but they feel so nice and soft. They're so cute. How cute is this? You can do the front and the back with infusible ink. They even give you the infusible ink to use it with. Rainbow, one of my favorites. There's 2 sheets in this one. Such great patterns. And then you have purple, you have green infusible ink. Now these do say Cricut Joy. You can use these on the Cricut Joy or on any Cricut machine. You just put it on a mat and use it like you would the big sheet. You get the blue and you get 2 sheets of black. These are awesome. You can use these on bigger t-shirts. You don't have to use them on the bodysuits. And 2 sets of infusible ink markers. These do fit in the Cricut Explorer and the Cricut Maker machines. You can use them with your hand. You don't have to use them with a machine. With these, you just color on laser copy paper and then press it onto your project. All right, guys, that's everything that's in the mystery box. If you have premium access, you get 20% off, but you don't have to have access to get this box. And remember, if you use my code, you have to get $50 in your cart and you get another 10% off. And this is a Cricut mystery box. Thank you, Cricut, for sending it to me ahead of time so I can share it with all of you. This is not a subscription box. If you want to be notified every time I share a mystery box or a free class or a project video, make sure you subscribe and click that bell. And then turn on your notifications so you get notified every time I share a video. You can also sign up for my email, and there's a link in the description of this for the email. And please use my link in the description to purchase your box. I do get a small commission when you do that, and it doesn't cost you any extra. This box is not quite available yet. We're letting you know ahead of time. It's going to be available sometime tomorrow. I don't know when tomorrow, but when I do find it tomorrow, I will share with you. I will share on social media that it is available. So please follow me on Facebook. Join my Facebook groups, Cricut Design Space with Melody Lane, Crafting with Melody Lane and Friends, and Cricut Cutie Swap. And there's a few more. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.